So guys, I don't know if I told you, but I just got a new poppet from the mail artist. So today we pop a poppet. So since I've done that, got my poppet. I'm gonna pop all of them, and once I popped all of them, I'm gonna go to the next one. I popped all of them. Popped them back. Guys, I don't know, but you make sure you check the toxic waste video out that I'm about to post at the same time after I'm posting this one. So that is our video of our new poppet, and I hope you liked the video, and I guess I will see you in the next one. Guys, thank you for all your support. Remember, I love y'all, and I'll see you in the next one. Skr, skr.